How long 24/7 and stealth take?
Yeah, oh, on the way back.
Even though I'm like, oh, it's downhill.
Oh, it's like 40 minutes.
Yeah.
There's that one little climbing there.
Yeah. Miles, at the beginning of the ride, he was saying, do we have enough time to do a lap in Bob's Basin? I don't know if you've been on a ride with him, but he likes to find the jumps and jump the gaps.
Oh, Miles is very fast.
Yeah. When we did 9K the other day, Evil Empire, that downhill that feeds into Black Forest in that area.
Yep.
Or maybe it's further east of Black Forest. Might be further east. Well, Evil Empire is a downhiller with gap jumps.
Yep.
So we just waited at the fork, you know, to make sure kids caught up. And he saw, I was like, I'm gonna go do that. Like, okay, be careful. Oh, I know, exactly. Definitely don't want to.
That's outside of our turn.
Exactly. But he cleaned it beautifully, so. Woo!
Wow, good job, guys.
Yeah, nice.
We're right on schedule.
I think that's.
There's a little bit, but not much.
Here, I'll click.
Broken up. It's mostly rolling ahead and then down. That was a wise decision.
Yeah.
It'll be dark.
Well, we've mostly done the ascent. We still have another about 100.
There's 2 little climbs ahead.
And then Bob's Basin, 24/7, we have that ascent.
And if you're in front, use your bell. That's some close calls. I need to give him one of those. These ones, he make a donation to the Trails Foundation. $50 donation, you get the bell. The bell's like ordinarily $45.
Well, if you go to REI, it's 50.
Oh, really? It's
Yeah. So you do a donation and you get the same thing. They must do their own donation. They probably donate the material.
maybe.
But I love how it just resonates. It just sits there ringing forever.
No, it's simple to activate and really reliable.
Yep.
Yeah.
And it's thin. It fits between my perch and my grip.
Oh yeah, just that little ribbon.
Exactly.
There's a piece of me that for these rides, I wish I had a Pee Wee Herman style. One of those big bulb horns.
Yeah.
Do you want to lead for a little bit?
Sure. If I, I'm just spinning out right there.